If you're wondering how to integrate Elementor forms with Housecall Pro, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to connect these two powerful tools so you can start optimizing your business workflows. Stick around till the end, because I'm also going to show you a secret bonus that can help you use this software for free, which you won't want to miss. Housecall Pro is an all-in-one software solution for service businesses. It streamlines scheduling, dispatching, payments, and customer management. If you're using Elementor for your website, you already know how powerful it is for building beautiful and functional forms. Now imagine integrating those forms with Housecall Pro to create a seamless experience for your customers and your team. You'll be able to collect leads through your Elementor forms and automatically send them to Housecall Pro for faster follow-up and service. To integrate Elementor forms with Housecall Pro, you'll need a third-party integration tool like Zapier. Zapier acts as a bridge between Elementor and Housecall Pro, automating the workflow between these two platforms without needing to write a single line of code. First, let's start by setting up your Elementor form. When you create a form on Elementor, you'll need to add the fields that will capture customer information, such as their name, phone number, service request, and any other details you need. Once your form is ready, the next step is to connect it to Zapier. Head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. In the Trigger section, choose Elementor as the app and select the New Form Submission trigger. Now, Zapier will listen for any new submissions made through your Elementor form. Next, you'll choose Housecall Pro as your action app. There are several actions you can automate with Housecall Pro, but for this integration, you'll likely want to create a new customer or a new job. Select the action that suits your needs. In most cases, creating a new customer is the most useful. This will automatically send all the form data from Elementor into your Housecall Pro account. Once you've selected your action, you'll map the fields from Elementor to the corresponding fields in Housecall Pro. For example, the name field in Elementor should map to the customer name field in Housecall Pro, and the email or phone number in Elementor should map to the contact info in Housecall Pro. After mapping the fields, you'll be prompted to test your Zap. This step is crucial to ensure everything works correctly. Once you've verified that the test submission worked and data flows correctly from Elementor to Housecall Pro, you're ready to turn on your Zap. Now, whenever someone submits a form on your Elementor-powered website, their information will automatically be sent over to Housecall Pro. This integration can save you time and make it easier to follow up with leads, book appointments, and manage your customer base all in one place. To make this even more powerful, you can set up additional workflows in Zapier to handle follow-up emails, notifications to your team, or even trigger new tasks based on the form submission. By the way, if you're new to Housecall Pro, you should know that this platform offers a lot more than just simple scheduling. It can help you manage your business efficiently with features like payment processing, invoicing, customer communications, and job tracking, all from one easy-to-use dashboard. And before I wrap up, let me remind you that you can use Housecall Pro completely free through the first link below. Not only that, but you'll also get access to exclusive bonuses if you sign up today. So if you want to streamline your service business operations, don't wait. Check the link in the description now. Remember, integrating Elementor forms with Housecall Pro can save you hours of manual work and help you deliver a better customer experience. And don't forget to claim your extended free trial with our special offer by clicking the link below. Happy automating!